everyone. So this week we are going to talk about your assignment for writing, and it is the grammar grab again. And I know there was some confusion on here. It says to choose any two, and you guys should be doing two of the three boxes. I know on the work packet it says just to do one, but you should be doing two. That was a typo on our mistake. So just make sure this week you guys do the two out of the three boxes. And so we are going to go ahead and look at what the assignment is. So each three of the boxes has sentence stretching on there. So you're going to look at the sentence provided and you are going to stretch the sentence depending on what it's asking you to do. But we're going to first talk about what sentence stretching means. Alright, so sentence stretching is when you have a mediocre sentence and you want to make it bigger and better. You want to add details to it. So when you are trying to stretch a sentence, there is kind of like a graphic organizer you can use. And as you can see, we have 5 different questions on here. So we got who, what, when, where, and why. So when you are trying to stretch a sentence, you're going to first look at your sentence that you have or you are provided with, and you're going to go down this list and answer the question. So you're going to say, do I have a who in this sentence? Do I have a what are they doing in this sentence? Do I have a when are they doing this in this sentence? Do I have where are they doing this in the sentence? And then do I have a why? So if you don't have all of these, then you need to add those to your sentence to stretch it out. So we are going to look at a mentor sentence together, and then we are going to talk through how to add a who, how to add a what, a when, where, and why. So we are first going to look at who, and we're going to talk about my puppy. So I'm going to say my cute puppy as the who. So that's kind of like the sentences you are going to start out with. You're going to have your subject or your who, and then you need to add more details to that. So let's look at this next slide. So I have my who. I'm talking about my cute puppy. Now remember, your who is going to be your noun. So your person, place, or thing. So we're talking about my cute puppy. So we're going to go to the next slide, the next question we need to answer to stretch this sentence. So the what. So we need to talk about what is my cute puppy doing. So we can say my cute puppy is barking. My cute puppy, I cannot talk today. My cute puppy is curls up on the rug. So we're going to say my cute puppy, which she actually does. She likes to curl up on the rug. We're going to say my cute puppy curls up on the rug. Okay, so that answers the question of what is that cute puppy doing? Well, it's curled up on the rug. So another way to remember what is your what's going to be your verb. So what is that subject doing? Okay, so my verb in here is curls. Now, when you guys are going through your choices on the grammar grab, you'll notice that it'll ask you to add adjectives or adverbs. So when you guys are doing that and stretching your sentence, make sure you put a box around it and underline just so you know that you have that in your sentence, okay? So now we're going to look at the next question that we need to answer in our sentence is when. So far we have my cute puppy curls up on the rug. When that puppy? Does she curl up on the rug in the morning, at night, once a week? So we need to answer that question of when. So if I'm talking about my puppy and it's asking me, well, when does your puppy do that? I'm going to say each night. So I'm going to add each night to the beginning of this sentence. Okay, so we're going to have each night my cute puppy curls up on the rug. So this each night, this in black right here, answers the question of when. When does your cute puppy curl up on the rug? Okay, so then we have to go look at the next question. And as you can see, this is just an easy way to kind of guide you through sentence stretching to make sure that you answer all of the questions that a sentence should be provided with. All right, so where? So we're going to talk about where, the question of where. So where is my puppy curling up on the rug? So far we have each night my cute puppy curls up on the rug, and I want to add the where to the end of this. So my cute puppy curls up on the rug in my bedroom. Okay, so that answers the where, in my bedroom. Okay, so we just took our original sentence that we had, and then we added this 3 simple words to stretch the sentence even more. And I can stretch it even more with another question of why. Why does my puppy curl up on the rug in my bedroom? Okay, so we need to add that why to this. So this is what we had, and I have to answer the why. Why is my puppy curling up on the rug in my bedroom? Well, because she wants to chew her bone. Okay, so each night my cute puppy curls up on the rug in my bedroom to chew her bone. Okay, so this answers the why she's doing that. Well, she does that because she chews her bone there. That's her safe place. Okay, so that is how you take just this little sentence right here, and you added all these details, and you made a bigger sentence that added the who, the what, the when, where, and the why. So that is all you guys are going to be doing on your assignment for this week. And like I said, there's going to be certain things that you need to add to your sentence when you are stretching it. So we're going to look at these real quick just to see what it's asking of you. So in this first box where it says the dog barked, it wants you to rewrite the underlined sentence 3 different times. So the first time you are stretching the sentence by adding adjectives. Okay, remember adjectives describe. They describe something. So you want to add descriptive words in there to tell me why the dog barked, how it barked. And then the second time it's asking you to stretch a sentence by adding adverbs. Okay? And then finally rewrite the sentence as if the speaker is angry. Now think about how you can make the sentence sound angry. You could add punctuation, you could add certain word choices. So there's many different ways that you can make that sentence angry. So be creative when you guys are stretching that sentence. All right, so let's look at this next box. It says sentence stretching, the boy ate lunch. Okay, so this one is asking you to rewrite it 3 different times. And then the first time you are adding a stronger verb choice. The second time you are adding prepositional phrases. And then you are rewriting the sentence as if the speaker is excited. So think about how you can make that sentence be exciting. Then our last box, it says the girl bakes a cake. So then again, you're going to stretch that sentence to make it better. It's asking you to first add adjectives to describe the cake. It's asking you to then add a transitional phrase, which remember, transition words are first, next, then last, finally. You want to make sure whatever you add to it includes a transition word. And then the last time it wants you to write the sentences if the speaker is confused. Now remember, punctuation, when you're trying to think about, well, how am I going to make this sentence sound confusing? Think about what punctuation you would use. Think about what an exclamation mark is used for, what a question mark is used for, what a period is used for. So be creative when you guys are stretching all of these sentences. And as always, if you guys have questions, please contact me. You can email me, you can call me, and I put my number on the Google Classroom for you guys if you have any questions at all. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great week, and I can't wait to see you guys on the Zoom meeting on Tuesday.